If you see my other videos, I've shown about automated market makers. Market makers on Wall Street, they make so much money, and it's impossible to get a job there. But now with blockchain technology, it's possible. So what I did was, you could see Solana here. It's had a massive move up over the past month or so. I was not doing any market making during that period. It's now been consolidating basically between about 50 and about 65. So I decided to get back in last night, about 15 hours ago. And when I got in, the yield for the annual rate was over 500%. I chose the range that you see here, between $50 and $60. At the time, Solana was trading at $54.80. It's now sitting around $57.80. So I'm still within the range. I get paid. The fees that I get paid are from all the trading going on in the Solana token against USDC, the stablecoin circle, within the Solana blockchain and ecosystem. So the yield, it's diminished a little bit because we're coming into the end of the day here, Wednesday, going into Thanksgiving. It'll be slow Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday here in the States. But with that said, what I've earned so far, you can see here, pending yield, 7 cents. I've only put in $8. I put in $7.80 for demonstration purposes. I've earned 7 cents in 15 hours. I've been lucky where the Solana token has risen. So between the 7 cents, which is 0.9% for the day, almost 1%, the 22 cents from the increase of the token itself, that's another 2.8. I'm up 3.72% in 15 hours. But if you take away the 22 cents of the rise of the Solana token and just concentrate on this 7 cents here, that's what I want you guys to look at. That 7 cents at 0.9% is enormous. Once activity, if it stays within this range next week and the activity picks up again, I'm going to be earning almost 1.5% on my money every single day. If it breaks out of that range, so be it. And at that point, I can readjust. But in the meantime, I'm earning that. And if it breaks out of that range, I could take the proceeds that I brought in from the yield, reinvest that, and do compounding interest. That, my friends, is absolutely huge. You see all these people on Instagram and TikTok showing indicators. You don't need indicators to trade. I've been saying it all along. I've been preaching it. Order book and be a market maker. Good luck.